Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create polls on WhatsApp. So to create polls on WhatsApp, you need to open your WhatsApp application and go any context or any group. Now you need to click on this attach icon. Here you can see a poll option. Click on it. Now you can simply ask any question that you want in your poll. So I'm asking a question here. Now you can add the choices. I'm creating some options. Here you can see I have created some options in my poll, and you can add up to 12 options in a single poll. So now, after asking your questions and adding your options, you need to click on this button in the bottom right corner. Here you can see this is my poll that I just created, and you can vote here, you can vote here, and all the group members can vote in your poll, and you can view your votes, how many votes you got. So that's it. This is a very simple process. So you can create a poll using this process. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.